Let us see a simple example of joins and aggregate functions. So here I have a marks table, and here I insert a students table and a marks table. Now the students table include the student ID, name, and the department ID, and the marks table includes the student ID, the subject, and the marks. So here I insert the student information. There are 4 students. Now there are 4 students, each belonging to 2 belonging to department 10 and 2 belonging to department 20. Now I want to understand what is the average marks per department. So I want to know what is the average of 80, 90, 70, 60. I want to know what is the average of the department number 20. So it will be 85, 95, 75 and 80. I want to know the average of these marks. So first of all, I want to derive the information from both the tables, for which I perform join, and join will be done on the student ID here. So I perform a join on the student ID. Once I get all the information, I will group it by the department ID, and by the department ID I will compute the average marks. So group by basically helps me to get the, so this is the average mark of department 10 and department 20. So group by basically helps me to get the marks department wise, and join basically helps me to combine the data from the 2 tables. So as such, if I look at the data, it is 80, 90, that will give me 85. This will give me nearly 77, 85 and 70. So 80 and 90, 170, 170 plus 70, 240, 300, 300 by 4, 75 is my 75 is the department average. Here if I take, it will be 85 plus 95, so 180, 180 plus 75, that will be 255, 255 plus 80, 255 plus 80 will be 335, 335 when divided by 4, it is giving me 83. Hmm, 83 point something. 320 itself will give me 80 plus 300, so another 15 will give me 4. So department number 20 has the average as 83. So a simple example of join and group by.